Hello again, my loves. I'm now going to go over your day 36 choice board activities for math. You have some really simple and fun choices today, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, choice number one, draw a pentagon. How many triangles can fit inside? Boys and girls, this is a pentagon. The perimeter here of this shape, and then I've shown you some different ways to find some triangles. And remember, a triangle is a three-sided shape with three vertices, angles, and three sides. A pentagon is a five-sided shape with five vertices, or angles or points, and five straight lines. Okay? All right. Choice number two, draw a clock. Of course, boys and girls, you're going to draw an analog clock with the numbers showing. Okay? Label the hours from 1 to 12 and the minutes counting by fives from 5 to 55. I don't know if you remember, boys and girls, but remember that 12 starts at the top. These are the hours, okay? But whenever the minute hand lands on these numbers, it is counting by fives, okay? The little ticks in between are by ones, but you don't always see those. You automatically know that these numbers that are the hour numbers are also the minute numbers counting by fives. So 1 would be 5 minutes, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That means whenever that long minute hand is on this 60, it's o'clock, 0 minutes in the hour, okay? And then once the minute hand clicks over to the 1, it would be whatever the hour is and the 5 minutes after that, okay? So this is what your clock should look like when you draw it out. Choice number three, make a timeline. Using time to the hour and half hour, list 5 activities you do in a day. Boys and girls, I've actually put this in the Google Drive folder for your parents. It is a timeline game. They could print this out and you can play. And it is also by the hour and half hour, just for something extra if you wanted to do this to help you even more. You don't have to, but it is there for you. But this is what a timeline looks like. It is just time, basically exactly what it means on a line. And I did it by the hour and the half hour. So 12 o'clock, ate lunch. 12:30, played a card game. 1 o'clock, went on a walk. 1:30, read a book. 2 o'clock, watched a TV show. It's almost like an agenda, our agenda at school, where Miss Poston labels the time and I tell you what we're doing for the day. It's kind of like that, except the timeline shows events that have already happened, okay? And you are going to do it by the hour, o'clock, and the half hour, 30, okay? You only have to do 5 activities. Okay, choice number 4, watch the video to learn about three-dimensional shapes. So this is a digital option. You will need the digital copy of this choice board to do this, but you could also type this into your YouTube thing too, your YouTube search box. It is a video on YouTube and it says, tell someone at home to the name of three-dimensional shapes and find an example of each in your home. Boys and girls, a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, a cone. These are all three-dimensional shapes that we've talked about. Remember, 3D means you can see all the sides, okay? They're not flat. And then I've also given you some real life three-dimensional objects that you may find around your house. So I've given you lots of examples here to play your game, okay? All right, and then lastly, your digital choice options. Freckle in the math section or the Khan Academy. Boys and girls, again, this is your last week of choice board, so I hope you will finish out strong and do your absolute best. I look forward to seeing your last week of work. Enjoy.